me just record this. I'll just literally go through exactly how we caught these trades and what we could potentially expect next. But before I actually continue, can you guys actually hear me? Good afternoon, all good, great one. Yeah, can you guys actually hear me, see my screen? We're all good. Just always need to confirm this because yeah, like I said, there was one time I didn't, and then that was the time I needed to. But we all good? Okay. Yeah, perfect, perfect, perfect. All right, cool. So again, let me just run through this. So again, we was talking about this on a session yesterday. In regards to this buy that's going to potentially happen. And some people saying, should we put a buy limit? And I was saying you can, but it was what, 8:30, coming up to 9 p.m. yesterday. Okay, coming into Asia session, probably not the best time to enter. But I said in the morning, if you actually manage to get in, then yeah, again, I said you could put a buy limit, you could do it there, but it's one that I didn't want to personally do. Okay, but again, I was already in, so yeah, I got in from this area here, so I was lucky. But like I said, if you did want to put a buy limit in here, then you could. It happened at 3:20 in the morning UK time. So yeah, I'm not sure if anyone was up then, but yeah, if you wanted to put a buy limit in there, then boom, 15 pips, and then yeah, literally just the start of the IPA zone. Okay, literally the start of the IPA zone, and we dipped in by what is it? Not even, I don't know if that's even, yeah, it's probably going to be like 1 pip. We dipped in by 1.5 pips. Okay, and then from there, as you can see, it started taking off. And I said we're going to target this high, and yeah, we annihilated it. So we're floating around this area now. We know a pullback is imminent. Okay, I'm not sure how many of you actually put a buy limit there or was already in from these areas that I was. Okay, I didn't personally put a buy limit, so I didn't actually get this entry specifically. But if you guys did, then very, very good. Very, very great. Okay, so yeah, we're expecting a pullback soon. Okay, because we have actually taken out all these highs now. So we've taken out Asia session high, okay, from previous week, and you've seen this in here. So yeah, we've taken out all these highs, and then now we're kind of threatening. Okay, threatening. I mean, this liquidity needs to be taken out, man. Okay, it definitely needs to. Okay, but yeah, we're seeing these kind of highs being built in here. So that's what I've got my eye on personally. Okay, I think it will still go up, like I said. That's one of the zones that I was like, yeah, it has to get taken out this week. Okay, coming into our higher time frame entry. So yeah, a pullback will happen imminently. Again, it's 1 o'clock soon. So New York session prime time, New York will kick in. So I'm wondering if one of these highs will get taken out again and then would lead us into a sell potentially to cover up all of this. Okay, because the pullback is definitely imminent. So how it happens, I'm not too sure yet, but we'll keep a watch out for that at 1 p.m. just to see if we can get any kind of sign of that pullback happen. Okay, so right now we're threatening to take out that high. Okay, let me just look into the 1 minute real quick. Okay, oh, that's a decent entry right there. That's a decent entry right there. Okay, so looking at this right now. Okay, looking at this right now. Okay, this is giving us signature move vibes. Okay, that's giving us signature move vibes. We're taking out liquidity from here. Okay, now we're coming into the zone. We've got equal lows being created there. Oof, you know what? You guys, this might be a cheeky entry. This might be oof. Don't tell me we're going down already. I haven't even got time to adjust. Okay, 3 pip stop. Okay, this might be a cheeky entry. Okay, where's my phone? Wrong phone. Okay, this might be a cheeky entry. So 1 minute. Because I would prefer it, obviously, if we took out this high, but we'll see what happens in the next 23 seconds, what happens with that candle. But what you can do, you can put a sell stop. Okay, you can put a sell stop just under this candle here, stop loss just above here. So you're looking about a 7 pip stop. And then TP1, obviously, if you guys want to be in and out, you can do that. But obviously, you already know what I'm looking at. So you can put a sell stop potentially for that. And then, yeah, so I'm going to put a sell stop on this one personally, just in case. Okay, just in case. Where's my gold, 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 gold? Okay, it's not happened yet, has it? I can't find my gold. There it is. Okay, I'm going to put a sell stop personally on this one. Okay, bruh, why is my trading view trying to snake me? Just give me what I want. Okay, so sell stop just under that candle there. Okay, and then stop. Okay, just above there. So about 7 pip stop. And then, yeah, we'll see what happens. So I've placed that personally. Okay, now we just kind of wait to see what happens. Okay, so yeah, like I said, personally, I'll prefer. Okay, personally, I'll prefer if it comes out and takes out this liquidity from the top. But this is a cheeky trade that you could potentially take. Again, while you're risking 7 pips, again, keep your risk management intact. Okay, keep your risk management in check, and then we'll see what happens. But yeah, if we take out this low here, okay, yeah, that could be a decent trade because we're seeing the signature move. Okay, and by the signature move, you already know what I'm talking about. Again, equal highs, candle takes it out, engulfing, drops, break structure, we come back. That's our entry. Okay, so yeah, that's the signature move. And we're seeing that right now in the 1 minute. So yeah, that's why I put that sell stop there just in case. Okay, but we can also come up into, oh, is it gonna take it out? We can also come up into the specific candle and then only have a 2 to 3 pip stop. Okay, so yeah, we'll see what happens. But yeah, literally that might actually happen right now. I'm not sure if any of you have been triggered in, but I personally probably would have been triggered in by now. Yeah, definitely triggered in now. Okay, so that's that sell stop. So we're active. I'm not sure if any of you put that sell stop. Okay, but yeah, we're personally active right now. So this entry was obviously from here, if we can get in there, and then this entry was here. So the sell stop is active, and then obviously we said we're risking 7 pips. Okay, so yeah, sell stop active. We'll see how that plays. Okay, hopefully it's not just faking us out. Okay, but yeah, sell stop's now active. But yeah, this is the trade I'm personally looking for. Let me do this like this actually, because this might be confusing you guys. Okay, put that over there. Okay, so yeah, that's the trade right now. Okay, so yeah, sell stop's active. I'm not sure if you guys got in, but yeah, I'm in. We're getting a price action we like to see. We're reacting again, engulfing candle to the downside. And then yeah, we'll see exactly how that plays out. Okay, is this gold? Yes, it is gold. Which indicators do you use? I use layer of a couple. So these are the ones I use personally. Okay, the trader's watermark, which is what you see here. Trader's Bitscobar, patience, discipline, fearlessness, execution, back secured. Smart money algo, which changes, it does all this kind of change of character, break of structure kind of stuff. And then MKT sessions, which marks out my Asia session lows and highs. Okay, so that's the indicators I personally use. Okay, but yeah, if you guys are in this trade, I mean, we should be in profit right now. Okay, is it the preferred entry I would have liked? No, but it's an entry. Okay, so again, 7 pip stop. Okay, we said you should put on top of here. So I would have personally liked either this entry better or a spike over here. So we'll see how that plays out. Okay, we'll see how that plays out. But yeah, if you guys were in this trade from yesterday, again, you should have made well over, how many pips would it have been? Okay, so from here to here. Okay, so that's 120, let's say 120 pips. Okay, so risking 7 pips out of that is not it's not the worst thing in the world, right? Okay. Okay, hopefully you guys did catch that trade one way or another, either early yesterday or put a buy limit. Um I'm in me to TP. Okay, so TP will be looking to come back down into these areas. Okay, so where we came from, okay, where we came from initially. So potentially this 5 minute entry that didn't get hit yesterday can still potentially come down into here and give us another entry. I've seen it happen time and time again. And then also, yeah, just looking in and around this area, it's got this 5 minute candle that made price shift up. So we're looking at that also. So yeah, one of these kind of areas. But obviously, if you want to be in and out, I know you guys like to be in and out and you don't like to hold trades. So if you want a simple 3 to 1 kind of trade, you can literally just do 20, 26 and be in and out within 20 pips. But for me personally, I'll be holding it down into these kind of areas, about 100 pips or so. So yeah, your TP is totally up to you. But for me personally, if I'm holding this right now, I'll be looking to get down into these areas. Okay, but your TP is totally up to you. So whatever you're comfortable with, whatever you need to either make yourself happy for the day, or if you're doing a funded account, I don't know. I don't know. Everyone's TP is different. So I'm not going to tell you where you should put your TP. Okay. But yeah, hopefully this can actually play out. Okay, but very simple trade. We've got, this is the first entry. Like I said, it's not my preferred entry. I would prefer this higher one. Okay, we came very close to it. Didn't quite touch it. I would have preferred that. And the second thing is I would have preferred on a bigger time frame if we actually took out this high here. But again, we're in profit right now, right? So can't complain. Can't complain. So yeah, it looks like it's heading down right now. Okay, looks like it's heading down right now, which is a good sign. So yeah, boom. Okay, so you guys should be in profit right now. I'm not sure exactly what entry you got, but this entry was quite nice in here. So yeah, I mean it's not, yeah, it's just floating, but you should be in profit regardless. But yeah, let's just see how this plays out. But either way, you should have a 7 pip stop. Okay, TP and stop loss, bro. Okay, go on your own chart. Okay, go on your own chart rather than saying what's the TP and stop loss, and just actually look at what we're looking at. Okay, you guys, like I said, I'm not going to spoon feed you guys no more. You guys need to learn how to look at charts because, like I always say, if I'm not here, what are you going to do? How are you going to make money? Okay, how are you going to make money if I'm not here? So learn to look at what we're looking at. We're on a 1 minute chart. Go on the 1 minute chart yourself, and then say, cool. Like, what are they looking at? Okay, you can see the numbers on the side as well. Okay, but go on a 1 minute chart, look at the candles and say, what does it look like? And does it look the same on my MT4, MT5? I know some of you are at work, but again, we're all looking at the same chart, regardless if you're on your phone, tablet, laptop, wherever it is. Just go on a 1 minute chart and look what looking at, and then execute the trade yourself if you're happy to. We'll ask Hugo Low or Eddie. Wait, what's happening? This is a seller just joined. Yeah, we'll ask Hugo or Eddie. I could look, Johnny. I think I low key know what you're saying, but yeah, we'll just leave it as that. If you're not here, oh, you'll ask Hugo. Yeah, fair enough, fair enough. Okay, we do spoon feed everyone. So yeah, so that's the trade that we're in right now. Okay, what's your opinion on CPI news today? I haven't really looked too much into it. Okay, but like I said, I sent this out in our chat yesterday. When it loads up. But again, if you want to know anything, just literally go on MUFG. So instead of asking me what's my opinion, you could literally read the bank's opinion. The bank's opinion are better than mine. Okay, so I sent this out yesterday. Okay, so you can let me just share this again for you guys. Some of you might have not been in my call yesterday. So viewer, all right, cool. Okay, so yeah, look at the bank's research. They'll tell you exactly what they think about CPI rather than me who just came back from gym about 10 minutes ago. And then yeah. Okay, so yeah, share that to everyone. I can see my TP. What's your opinion on CPI? All right, cool. So yeah, I've sent that to everyone anyway. Okay, so yeah, that's that. Okay, so we'll see what's happening. So updates on other things. Okay, so gold is happening. There's no point talking about it now. It's either going to win or it's going to lose. That's how I trade. I don't focus on walk over things. Okay, so let's go on to GA. I'm not sure if anyone, I'll be surprised if anyone is still holding on to GA. I'll be absolutely surprised. Okay, is anyone, well, there's what, 1,000 plus people in our community chat, but obviously only like in and out about 40, 50 people in this call specifically. Well, I'll be surprised if anyone's still holding this. Okay, I'm not sure if anyone is still holding this. I'm still holding. Okay, I took 70% partials already, so I'm leaving 30 running. So right now we're sitting about 240 pips. Okay, sitting about 240 pips, and obviously the overall thing is about 350. So I'll be surprised if anyone's actually holding this. No one's saying anything in the chat box, so I doubt anyone's holding it. So I'm still holding it. Yeah, absolutely beautiful trade. Right now we're currently 100 and let's say 120 pips away from overall TP. Okay, about 120 pips from overall TP. So yeah, but this trade right here. So again, with GBP news that came in today as well. Okay, with GBP news that came in today as well, it helped push it up even more. So again, long-term views, yeah, we're still about 120 pips away from that. So this has been a beautiful trade. Okay, even since here. Okay, since here, absolutely beautiful. Okay, I'm not too sure. Actually, no, Perry's not in the session. So yeah, that was a lit trade. I'm not holding it. Miguel, why did he come out, bro? I told you, just close 90% and then leave 10% running just for your confidence. Okay, just for your confidence, just to say, you know what, I'm able to hold a trade for 2, 3 weeks. Okay, so like I said, just do it. Okay, this morning I actually accidentally closed my GBP USD trades. Okay, this morning I was actually pissed off about it. Okay, because I don't really use. I only started using MT5 not too long ago, and then I saw the depth of market, and I was like, oh, sick. MT5 has depth of market, so I was like, gassed. I was looking at it, so I was clicking, 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 and then next thing I know, it just says I can't remember what I clicked, and then it closed the trade, and I was like, what the hell just happened? And then yeah, it closed my GBP USD trade, so I was pissed off about that. So I'm still holding GA, but it closed my GU trade, which I was quite pissed off about. But yeah, yeah, I was very annoyed by that. So this is why I actually started looking this morning, and I sent out that buy limit. Okay, I sent out that buy limit to you guys. So yeah, it's in here. So yeah, but yeah, it didn't come back down. But yeah, man, I accidentally closed it. It was very annoying. Hella annoying. So yeah, before I closed it, what was he sitting at? So again, we entered from no, that was the new one, right? So it's down here. So we entered from here and we're floating. Okay, so yeah, now I should have been floating about 157 pips and I accidentally closed it, bro. That pissed me off. But either way, I mean, it's still good. I closed that on full lot size and it was around here somewhere. So it was 120 pips. I closed out. It was a full lot size. So I mean, I can't complain about the profit, but it's just annoying that we still have such a long way to go and I accidentally closed it. So that was annoying. But yeah, re-entry for that. So again, I sent it out already in gold mine. Okay, so I was looking at this on the 30-minute and on the 5-minute, but let's just look at the 15-minute. Okay, so again, we have this gap in here. Okay, I mean, we've got a big gap in there. So again, if we're looking at, again, another point of interest, or not point of interest, another viewpoint of, what do you call it? Um, my mind's going blank. Another viewpoint of, why's my mind going blank? What's it called? What's it called? Depth of market. That's it. Okay, so again, we know this is big ass gap in here, but more importantly, again, we're looking for where there's hardly no orders, okay, which is in these areas. And I had an IPA from here previously anyway. Okay, so yeah, that's why I wanted price to come a bit lower into here and then put us back in. But yeah, as you can see, price continuously going up again with the GBP news that happened today. Not surprised. So obviously, with that happening, we know DXY is doing what? Boom, going down. Okay, so this is what we spoke about yesterday as well. Okay, we spoke about this yesterday as well. I said I wanted price to come a bit higher before it started dropping, but it's dropping. So we can't complain. So which is obviously giving us the moves for Euro USD, GBP USD, gold, kind of. Okay, so again, yeah, we'll be coming back into these kind of areas, and then we'll see exactly what happens when we do come back into there. So I believe I was looking at this on a daily. Okay, on a daily, was looking more specifically at that candle. Okay, and then seeing if we could come down and then go up, because I still think there's still one more move up here. Okay, there's still one more move up here before this drops properly. Okay, so we'll see exactly how that plays out. Okay, and then obviously, like I said, Euro USD right now should be shifting up. Okay, so again, I'm not sure if anyone else is still holding this one. I doubt it. Very, 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 very unlikely that anyone else is still holding this. But yeah, especially the way he's been kind of playing around. But I mean, we haven't shifted that much anyway. Okay, so from here we had two free entries, and then this is the latest one. Okay, so right now I'm flying about 60 pips, but like I said, minimum I want it to come into this kind of area and then obviously into here. Okay, so yeah, we see exactly how that plays out as well. But yeah, for trades right now, like I said, this will be more of an update session because most things are shifting already and there's no real re-entries for them at this moment, at this point of time on a Tuesday. Okay, but again, you will get a lot of pullbacks in due time. Okay, you will get a lot of pullbacks where you were looking for continuations of the last down candle, or you'll be looking at full retracements. Okay, for example, this one right here. Okay, what have we done? We've taken our Asia session low. Okay, we've taken our Asia session low through here. Okay, boom. Taking out Asia session low. We see this point of interest here with this gap, and we see this down candle. So this on a 5-minute. I wonder what this looks like on a 15-minute. Ah, even better. Okay, even better. So again, what do we like to see? We like to see equal lows or something being taken out and then price run away, break structure, and then we like to see a pullback. So again, this picture, okay, equal lows, okay, boom, break a structure, and then we come back. So this is what we'll be looking at for GU, EU, potentially gold. Okay, you can see price done that thing already. And then, yeah, we can see if we could potentially come back. So this will be a point of interest for this because we've done exactly the opposite on this side. So again, we had Asia session over here. Why is this thing not clicking? Okay, Asia session high over here. This gets ran, engulfing. We leave a gap over there. It's just the same thing over and over again, guys. Okay, the same thing over and over again. So again, we leave that gap through there. Okay, we know we've got an IPA through there now. So price is coming into there quite shortly. Okay, so this could be a point of interest to then do what for us? Okay, so let me do a ghost feet. Okay, so we want to see something like this. Okay, so let me get it from here to here to here to here to here. Okay, so we want to see something like this. Okay, price to come up into here. Okay, so it's already kind of done all this kind of price action here, and then you'll see this. Boom. Let me just shift all of this over. It's going to be quite messy, but let's just shift all of this over. Okay, so it's going to be something like this where we've already got this kind of pullback, and then you come into here, and then yeah, we'll get a down move. Probably not this low, but yeah. Okay, I want it to come more into this kind of area here. Okay, so let's just shift that into here so that's not making noise. Okay, and then yeah, potentially make an up move. So yeah, just watch out for this area. See what's happening here. Okay, yeah, but the market structure. Let me look at this on a 1 hour. Market structure is definitely to the upside. So I think it should just skip this. I would like it. I'll prefer if it just skipped this because what's more important in regards to pricing right now? Okay, what's more important is definitely all of this gap in here. Okay, that's definitely more important. Okay, you can see again, big zero orders. Okay, zero orders all through here. So that's more important to the algorithm right now. So yeah, with that being said, I mean, I'll hope it just skips this area. Okay, I'll definitely hope it just skips that area and then this being more important. So yeah, we'll watch out for that. We'll watch out for that. So yeah, something to keep an eye on. Okay, but yeah, I would like it just to skip that area. So again, what time frame was you looking at? Was it 15? Okay, that could be a potential entry. Okay, that could be a potential entry. But yeah, let's keep a watch out for that for now. Let me see what's happening in the chat box. I'm not holding no. You're still holding GJ. GJ, yeah, I'm not holding that one as well because I was in and out of that one, unfortunately. I think I said that on yesterday's session, innit? Like, yeah, it's messed up, man. Messed up. Okay, 2002 or 27 looks possible. TP at present for gold, 3 minute support. New York Open could send gold up to take liquidity. And yes, I know you've moved from gold. I'm still in EU. I'm still holding. All right, my guy Miguel. Gold right now. Gold coin mad. Love the bookcase, bro. Appreciate it. Um, for real. Wait, what's actually happened with gold? What's actually happened with gold? Are we still in profit? Is it come back down? What's the situation? Okay, so it came done that. Okay, so it's come down again. Okay, so we're back in profit. Okay, hopefully this is a drop this time. Okay, hopefully this is the drop this time. So we'll see. Okay, so it's people still holding gold, right? Hmm, yeah. All right, cool. So people still holding gold. We're good. We're going versus Hugo. He called a buy, but we trust in you. It's not beef. It's not beef. It's not beef. But yeah, literally, I mean, a buy long term for sure. But right now, I mean, we're just trying to get a pullback. Trust me, it's beef. That's jokes. That's jokes. But yeah, literally, I mean, just playing around this area. I need a break. I need a break of this low, and then I'll be very confident that we should be heading down. Okay, but yeah. So I mean, one thing you can do, guys, because it's come back into this area one more time. I mean, it might be too early to move your stop into profit, but if you're not feeling comfortable with this, or you don't want to hold a 7 pip stop, you can move your stop into profit. Okay, I mean, personally, I think it's too early to do that, but it's come up into this area 2 times already. If it comes up one more time, it's not something I personally like. I don't like price coming into the entry zone 2 times. Okay, so if that's something you want to do, you can do it. But for me, like I said, until it breaks structure, I never move my stop. Okay, if I take a L, I take a L. But until it breaks the structure, that's the only time I move my stop. But again, you guys, if you want to shift it, you can. But again, like I said, it's coming back into entry one more time, and there it is. So yeah, yeah. Hopefully it just drops. But yeah, we'll see what's happening. But yeah, we are in New York prime time now as well. Let me just go into the 15 minute. Okay, it's playing around in the area. I don't like it. So again, like I said, I would like personally if this area got taken out. Okay, but you're seeing potential drop happening from here as well. So one of those two things are going to happen. Okay, one of those two things are going to happen. So hopefully it gives us our sell from here because we're already in now, and then we continue going down. So yeah, that's about it. Indices. I haven't actually looked at indices since yesterday. Okay, but we did say we're expecting a drop, right? And yeah, we're seeing exactly that. How clean has it been? Not that clean at all, really. S&P, let's see, Nas. Oh, this would have been. What time did this happen? This is all yesterday's pricing. Okay, when we was talking about in the session. Yeah, I would have liked price to come up into here yesterday. And then this morning is kind of just been playing games. But yeah, potentially for this, looking further adrift, I mean, this would be a nice trade. Okay, we've taken out this high through here. Okay, so if we're looking right across that line, okay, can we get a pullback into this area? Okay, that'd be a nice trade. Okay, so this is something I'm going to potentially look at. Okay, so we've got that supply in here. Bruh, what's going on in my trading view? All right, cool. I'll just leave that for now because everything just moving mad slow. Okay, if we could get a pullback into here, I'll be very confident about this trade because we've made an all-time high and a pullback is definitely due. Okay, a pullback is definitely due for at least this structure right here. Okay, which will give you about 805 points. Let's just say 800 points. Okay, if you're using a specialized broker, which I don't think many of you are, then it'll be 8,000. But yeah, it'll be 800 points for that if we could get back up in here. And then, so S&P should have the same setup as well. Okay, a bit bigger, but as we already know, S&P is the easiest one. I won't say easiest, but it's the one with the less point count. So again, you can see with this, okay, you're only going to use a 16 point stop, and then moving down into here, it only gives you about 170 points. Okay, compared to NAS. And if you look at US 30 is obviously again, if you was on my session yesterday, you understood the differences between them. So again, let's just say we're doing the same kind of thing. So you can see the difference, 70-point stop. And if you're coming down here, okay, I mean, we even have to go further adrift. If you're coming down here, okay, you're looking over 1,000 plus. Okay, so yeah, that's the differences between the indices. GU, please, boss. About to dump news in 20 minutes. Hella news soon. News what pair? Okay, yeah. GU, please. We trust in Jeff. You like trying to start some beef, bro. But yeah, so GU. Who just asked me about GU? Sorry. I just looked at the chat, but I didn't see who actually asked me about GU. It's already started. News what pair? Who just asked me about GU? Oh, Johnny. Johnny, what about GU? What are you referring to? We already covered this now. Oh, what are you referring to, bro? Am I missing something or what's going on? It's already started. Wait, I don't know what half the people are talking about. News, I'm guessing, and then Johnny's talking about GU. What's the situation? Okay, but gold should be triggering us down even more. Okay, so it's no, it's still roughly in about the same place. It just looks different in the 15 minute. Okay, it's coming up again. Yeah, this gold trader, yeah. I don't like it. I don't like it. Okay, it's coming up into entries too many times. So yeah, when this happens, I don't personally like trades, but again, like I said, 7 pip stop. So if we drop one more time, guys, if we get the luxury of that, because right now, like I said, it might potentially push up to break that high. But if we drop one more time for sure, if it engulfs this candle, just put your stop into profit or just yeah, just put your stop into profit if possible. If we get a luxury of that, because you know, it might just spike up from here. But yeah, and Johnny, there's still nothing in the chat box about you. I don't know what's happening. But yeah, but cool. I think that's about everything to cover for now. Like I said, this one was just more of an update, just to see what's happening with various things. But yeah, EU. I don't know if this trade is going to play out. Like I said, I'd rather it just skip this area because again, what's the priority right now? It's coming back into this area. So yeah, it can potentially play off in here, but yeah, I think it'll just skip this high and then go up into there. But yeah, there's 6 news about to hit for USD. Yeah, I won't be surprised. So again, if you guys are in any trades, again, protect your positions, which is the key point. Okay, protect your positions and then see what happens from there. Because yeah, when the news hits, the news really hits. So protect your positions, which is the first and foremost thing. And if it goes in our favor, happy days. Okay, so yeah, that's it for me, guys. Until tomorrow, nothing to really talk about and scream about today. But again, I sent out gold and GU trades yesterday, so hopefully you guys got into them. If not, then yeah, there'll be new opportunities. So until next time, guys, peace out.